Okay, Baruch Shechiyanu v'kimanu v'giyanu lazman hazeh, to the finishing of Masechtas Beya, yet another Masechta under our belt. Thank you everybody for joining me as we are sponsored this Masechta by Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, Lila Nishmas Chasi Bas Shlomo, for Shlema for Liyom Moshe Mechai Yisrael, Schus Avram ben Yom Benish, ben Malk Yehudis and family, by Yoel Kugman and family, and for Abigdor Aryeh ben Rivka, and for Meir ben Chai Yisrael. They should have a refuah Shlema b'Seich Shachai Yisrael. And we are holding by the last Mishnah, which is Perek Mishnah Zion. If you invite guests to you, now they're coming from outside of your tchum because they have an Erev, lo yolichu b'yad manas, they can't take leftovers home with them because your food can't go outside of your tchum. Elin came zika lahem manoisei erev Yom Tov, unless you gave it to them, mezakit to them from before Yom Tov, then you could take it because then it's theirs and it has their tchum. Now notice that, but they're allowed to eat by you, because when they eat by you, they're eating your food. Ein mashkin v'sheichten es hamidbariyos. You cannot on Yom Tov give to drink and shecht animals that were wandering in the wilds, because those animals were muksa and they were not designated. Drink doesn't mean you can't feed them. Drinking was prior to slaughter in order that the hide should come off. But you could give to drink and shecht the domesticated ones because they were prepared for shechita. Elohein bayasas, what are domesticated ones? Alanas be'ir, those that sleep in the city. Midbariyos, the wild ones, those that are alanas be'efer, that are out wandering in the meadow outside of the city, that you did not have muchen for Yom Tov. And now Baruch Shechiyanu v'kimanu v'giyanu lazman hazeh, for the start of Masechtas Rosh Hashanah. I just got word that the Fisher family is also sponsoring Rosh Hashanah. Lila Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, that Neshama should have an Aliyah. Arba Rosh Hashanah Hein. There are 4 Rosh Hashanahs. In other words, the year starts at different junctures for different matters. Be'echad b'nisan Rosh Hashanah Malachim, when they date a star by the reign of the Jewish king. The reign of the Jewish king starts from the 1st of Nisan. Villa regalim, the din is that when you make a vow, you're over Baal Ta'achar if you wait 3 Yomim Tovim. Those 3 Yomim Tovim start from Rosh Chodesh Nisan. Be'echad be'elul, on the 1st of El Rosh Hashanah L'maisa Behema, we know that you have to take a tithe, you have to have the animals in the corral, go out through a narrow door, and the 10th animal you strike with red paint, and that's Ma'aser Behema, which has to be offered on the Mizbeach. But you can't take off Ma'aser from an animal from one year for the other year. The cutoff is Rosh Chodesh Elul. Rabbi Elazar, Rabbi Shimon Aimer, no, the cutoff is Be'echad B'Tishrei, the first of Tishrei. Be'echad B'Tishrei Rosh Hashanah L'Shanim. The 1st of Tishrei is a Rosh Hashanah for Shanim, meaning for the reign of Goyish kings. When the reign of Goyish kings starts from Rosh Hashanah, and to determine when the Shemitah year starts, that you're not allowed to do work, and the Jubilee year starts. Lanatia, it determines when the year of Orla starts. So if it's 30 days before Rosh Hashanah, then Rosh Hashanah starts the 2nd year of Orla. V'la Yerakis, and also for vegetables. By vegetables, we have to determine you can't tithe 1 year on another year, so the cutoff is Rosh Hashanah. Also, in the 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 5th year, it's Ma'aser Sheni. The 3rd and the 6th year is Ma'aser Ani. The cutoff point is Rosh Hashanah, is Aleph Tishrei. The Echad B'Shvat, when it comes to fruit, Rosh Hashanah Le'ilan, it's a Rosh Hashanah for trees. That, again, if we want to know if you take off Ma'aser Sheni or Ma'aser Ani, it's determined by the 1st of Shvat, Kedivrei Beis Shammai. Well, we know Beis Hillel B'Chamisha also on the 15th of Shvat. By the way, there is a difference between vegetables and fruit. Vegetables are determined by the year that you pick them. By fruit, it's when the fruit begins to emerge. Okay, we want to thank you. Very shortly, we will have up Daf Pei Vav, also for the Shabbos table on Parshas Re'eh, and also Be'ezus Hashem, the question and answer share from the Irgun Shirei Torah. If you want to sponsor next week's share on Parshas Shoftim, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you very much for joining me, and have a wonderful Shabbos.